In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Jotform from one account to another. This is really useful if you manage multiple accounts, share work with teammates, or want to move a form from a personal account to a business one without rebuilding it from scratch. We'll walk through the process inside Jotform's own interface, using their built-in transfer feature. You don't need any special tools or coding knowledge, just access to the account that owns the form and the email address of the account you want to move it to. Start by logging into the Jotform account that currently owns the form you want to copy. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open your account's settings page. On the settings page, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical list of tabs. Find the tab labeled Data and click on it. This is where Jotform lets you manage things like data exports and, importantly for us, form transfers. Inside the data section, look for an area called Transfer Forms. Within that section, you'll see a button also labeled Transfer Forms. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. Sometimes, for security reasons, Jotform will send a 6-digit verification code to the email address associated with the account you're currently logged into. If that happens, open your email in a new tab or on your phone, look for the message from Jotform, and copy the 6-digit code. Then, come back to the pop-up window and paste or type that code into the field provided. This step simply confirms that you really own the account and are allowed to move those forms. Once verification is complete, you'll see a list of the forms in your current account. Select the form you want to copy to another account. You may be able to select more than one if you need to move multiple forms at once, but only choose the ones you actually want to transfer. Next, in the same pop-up, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the destination Jotform account. Type in the email of the account you want to copy the form to. Double-check the spelling to make sure it's correct, because the transfer will go to that exact address. When you're ready, click the Transfer Forms button to confirm. Jotform will process the request, and the selected form, along with its structure and fields, will be copied over to the other account associated with that email address. After a moment, you can log into the destination account and check that the form appears there under your list of forms, ready to edit and use.